Flames, the easiest and the most fun thing to paint. Let me show you how easy it is. So some will immediately start adding the yellow just like that. What would happen is that it can take too long and the colors aren't going to show up until many coats of paints. What can you do instead? Well, add a base coat of pink color. That's right, pink. I recommend the light pink. Follow up with some white to highlight the brighter section. Once the coat is done, you may start adding the yellow you desire. Here, I added Citadel Contrast Imperial Fist. And watch the magic, the yellow immediately pops out. And after this, add orange. What I like to do is add it on the top and then use water on the end to let it thin down on the yellow color. Once it is dry, we are going to add black on the tip. And there you go, easy flames for you to try out and bring your miniature models glowing out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.
This video is brought to you by Underground Hobby Shop. Go to Lazada, type Underground Hobby Shop for all your Warhammer and miniature needs.